We sold through Grayscale Capital because my mom is 87. It takes a little while. And we were having some issues with her health and really needed someone to help us out selling the house. And Brian was just amazing with us, helped my mom with everything, got everything taken care of, stuck by us through a couple little hard times that we had. Everything went smoothly. He stuck by and was a man of his word, and I would recommend them to anybody wanting to sell their house or needing to sell their home quickly. He will do everything in his power to make sure it's taken care of. He's very passionate, very genuine man. So go with Grayscale. We attempted to sell through a realtor, but it was going to take entirely too long and too much of a hassle with my mother's age and everything. So Grayscale was the way to go. Not only did we speak with them on the phone, but Brian came out to the house and spoke with us, spoke with my mother at length. We feel very comfortable, very genuine person. I'd recommend him to anybody. We had a small loan on the house, equity loan, and there was another lien against the house through the city of Cleveland. And Grayscale was able to take care of everything, made everything so much easier for my mom. She's now happy living in Kentucky, and she's happy as can be. Just great, genuine, honest people. Never tried to pull anything over on us. Always made sure that we were updated on what was going on with the sale. Kept in communication with us at all times. Had no problems with anything that they did. They were great. Grayscale Capital is the way to sell your house. They stand out differently from everybody else because they're honest. They're not trying to play games. They're not trying to pretend to be something they're not. They're doing everything that they possibly do to help you sell your home.